Hi everyone, in front of me I've got the Realme GT Master Edition, and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi to this operation, and then we can enter the Play Store. So let's tap on it. Of course, you will have to log in, and after that, or you will be logged because of adding the account, a Google account, to this device. And after entering the Play Store, just tap on the circle, which is simply your account. Tap on My Apps and Games, tap on Installed, and actually no, sorry, we have to switch to the updates. We are actually automatically entered the updates. And as you can see here, we've got the whole list of all updates pending. And of course, if you want, you can update all of those apps just by tapping Update All. But if you'd like to update only one of it or two of them, nothing easier, just find them in the list and tap on Update right next to it. So I will pick, for example, Gmail. Let's tap on Update, and as you can see, the Gmail in my case immediately disappeared from the list, but it appears at the very top of the list. Right now it is downloading, and after that it will be successfully installed and automatically updated, so you actually do not need to do anything more. So actually this is it. This is how to update apps in your Realme GT Master Edition. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.